Texola, Oklahoma is a small town, less than a mile from the Texas border. Like so many towns that were on Route 66, it's soon to become a ghost town. The last census said there were 36 people still living here, but the woman who owned the Windmill restaurant told us it's more like about 30 now. Here's a photo I found on the internet from about just 4 years ago. You can see in that time how it's really changed. Payment is on the honor system. Just put your money in the envelope, then put it in the mailbox. Next to the restaurant and the RV park is a gas station that's abandoned. It actually was owned by the brother-in-law of the restaurant owner. She said just 3 years ago he decided to retire and he just walked away. The population actually peaked in 1930 at 581. But then Interstate 40 came by and the population just steadily declined. This is actually one of the historical Magnolia stations that you could easily find along Route 66.
So you have to ask yourself, when you're looking at this abandoned house, because this was a house, and you look at that coffee maker up on the shelf, when was the last cup of Java made? When they finally said, the hell with it, I'm getting a Keurig. And that stereo, what was the last tune that came out of the speakers on that stereo? How long ago, and what was it? Was it Led Zeppelin, or was it Bing Crosby?
Here we have a one-room jail, which was built around 1910. It said it was used to basically just lock up the local ruffians and drunks. Can even hear the crickets.